Hello everybody, today here I'm at my grandparents' house and I'm going to show this air conditioner. This is my grandparents' air conditioner, replaced an old Sears that died last year, and this is replacement except it's on the side of the house here, hooked up to this box instead of being on the back side of the house. It's a straight cool unit as the furnace inside is natural gas. And this is the Lennox here. It's different from the one I had at my house here. It's a smaller one. Here's the label here. You see here's the top view here. It's on right now because it's hot. It doesn't seem like it's on here, but it does on this side. So here it is. This is different from what I have here. As you know, what I have has a different grill on top and the Lennox badge on top there as well besides here. So here's the close-up of the motor. So there you go. Still on right now. There you go, that's a brief overview of my grandparents' air conditioner, the new, particularly the new one here. So there you go. Goodbye.